This is Computerology. In this video you will see how to use your phone as a web camera. So let's get into the video. First open the link which I have given in the description. Click webcam for Windows. The download will start. After download, open the file which you have downloaded. Click I agree and choose number 1. And next. Next. And install. Sit back and relax. Click finish. Turn on the hotspot on your mobile phone. Connect your computer to your mobile. And open the application on your computer. Select Allow Access. Open the application on your phone. It will connect automatically. It's our studio. Now you can use your phone as a webcam. As you see in the video. See you in the next video.